Hello guys, I'm Rasmus and you're watching Slick Hair TV. Today we made some nice new sound effects, so you need your headphones. Please put them on and you'll have a new adventure on the hairstyles. Do you want to be the next winner? Easy. You just need to like, comment and subscribe, and if we reach 3,000 likes, we'll pick out 2 winners for 1 t-shirt and some nice by Villain products. Remember the headphones and enjoy this episode. Before I'm going to reveal the winner from last week's competition, I'd like you guys to write in the comment section down below what you think about these new audiovisual sound effects. Also like to thank you guys for all the nice comments that we received on the last video. If you like to be a part of this competition, you just need to write a comment down below, hit the like button and be a subscriber. Congratulations, here we have the winner from the last episode. That's it for today. Thank you for watching. See you guys next time.